This is Browning electrolysis apparatus. You can check the electrolysis of water by a Brown export setup. This is the setup with the two electrodes, and the test tube you can fit by opening. You can adjust the test tube so that it is in the center. Both the test tubes you can fit. After that, you take a water, put a salt, little of it, or any other electrolysis, other distilled water does not passes the electricity. Then fill the test tubes with the same water to the top, both left and right. See, this is filled. Now you should cover this both and put it so that no air goes inside. Now connect a Brown power supply, approximately 10 volt, 12 volt. You can see slowly the water evaporation, water will dissociate, it will separate into two parts and bubbles